Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Kaito. On a daily time frame chart, the price of Kaito first broke out this quite long-term falling wedge pattern from 20th of Feb 2025 up till 19th of April 2025. It has been moving inside this wedge, and after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that overall it was almost 248% pump. And now recently, the price of Kaito has formed this rising wedge pattern. Let me just show you on the 4-hour time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that for the past several hours a day, it is moving inside this wedge since after 10th of May 2025. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now the price is once again about to hit the support of this rising wedge pattern. By the way, this rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish bias move. And in case of breaking it down, we can expect a big drop from here, by the way, because the technical target can be here at the bottom of the wedge, and I'll tell you that target as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Kaito that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost a more than 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Kaito that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. And that was a bullish bad move that Kaito formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone, even rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 12% pump only on this 1-hour time frame chart. Before that, we caught almost 27% pump. And this move I shared almost 6 days ago with my members, and that was a bullish Garland pattern. And this move was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone once again. This was almost 27% pump. Before that, we caught almost 37% pump. And that was another bullish Garland pattern that Kaito formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell target sign, the stop loss. And by the way, this move I shared on 17th of May, 2025, almost 13 days ago. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 37% pump. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal setup. And this move, by the way, produced almost 68%, very, very powerful pump. And this move I shared in the current month of May, on 8th of May 2025. And this move was formed on the 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup. Buying down, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 68% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And this was another bullish reversal setup. Kaito, by the way, gives so many buying opportunities during its rally. And this move, by the way, I shared on 15th of March 2025, and this was a bullish Garland move that was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And again, and if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And by the way, this was almost 13% pump against Bitcoin. Now let's move to the live chart of Kaito, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price end of Kaito has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And you can see that from here, from the last week of Feb 2025 up till the second, third week of April 2025, it has been moving inside this wedge. And after getting squeezed, finally we broke it out. Then we had a powerful pump. And now recently it has formed a rising wedge pattern. Like this falling wedge pattern is considered a bullish pattern. Opposite to that, this rising wedge pattern is considered a bearish path move. And this time, if the price breaks down this rising wedge pattern, then technical target will be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.39. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break down this long-term support of $1.45. Or there is also a probability that we may test this next long-term support of $1.25. That had been previously working as a very, very firm support here for several days or weeks. And again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Kaito. Let me show you on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in case of another price reversal, there can be a probability like it is doing every time. Then it can hit first the resistance of this wedge here, approximately at $2.52. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, by the way, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target will be approximately at $3.61. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.